this video, I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks to ensure that you pass your video verification with flying colors. Yay! Unless you've been living under a rock lately,
I thought cave people died off years ago.
You've probably noticed that video verification has basically become the #1 verification method for Google business profiles. Stay tuned to the end of the video, because I'm gonna give you a special bonus tip. Okay. For video verification specifically for service area businesses.
We're the Mario Brothers and plumbing's again.
The video needs to be one continuous shot, and it needs to include the following. 1, your current location. Capture outside signs like your street name. Show Google your address on your building or your residence. You can even show Google adjacent businesses that are across the street so they can cross-reference and see where you're located. Number 2, Google wants to see your business operations. In this part, you can include things like stock for sale, branded equipment, marketing materials, and even the tools that you use to serve your customers. Number 3, Google wants to see proof of management. Essentially, what Google is looking for here is to be able to prove that you are the person that has the authorization to actually manage this business on Google. One of the things you can show Google in this part of the video is the fact that you have access to employee-only areas of the business. This could include things like storage facilities, your stock room, the kitchen. You could even show Google non-sensitive business documents during this part of the video. Okay, now once you've actually planned out what you're gonna show Google in the video, it's time to head over to your mobile device where you will pull up your listing. And here's a quick tip. If you started the verification process on your desktop computer, simply scan the QR code and you'll be able to continue the video verification process on your mobile device. Once you've done that, you're ready to start recording. Here's the next 3 things you need to do. Number 1, tap Get Verified and capture the video. Number 2, select Start Recording and simply follow the steps to record your video. Number 3, once the recording is complete, tap Stop Recording and then tap Upload Video. And that's it. All that's left to do at this point is simply wait. After you upload the video, Google will review it. Yes, an actual human will review the video, and keep in mind that it could take up to 5 business days for Google to review the video. If you're verified, you'll simply get a notification. If the video method doesn't work, you'll be prompted to get verified, and then you'll actually be able to select a different verification method. If for some reason you get stuck at this point, the next logical thing to do is contact Google Business Profile Support. Okay, everyone. As promised, here is the bonus tip. So we get asked all the time by service area businesses, AKA businesses that travel to their customers to perform the job, just what the heck are we supposed to show in our video verification? Here's 5 things that Google would expect to see if you are a service area businesses that travels to your customers. Number 1, show Google tools of the trade. Number 2, show Google the actual software that you use. This could be your project management software, Salesforce, whatever it may be. Number 3, simply use a key to access the business location where it was registered, even if this is your home. Number 4, show Google your branded trucks or service vehicles. Number 5, simply show Google your actual workspace within your home where you operate your business out of. Hey guys, please like and subscribe below to let the algorithms know that you really like this video. Your feedback helps us grow, so please leave a comment below and let us know what you thought about today's video. Thanks again for watching.